Naja, was jetzt noch viel cooler ist, dass wir ja auch dieses Jahr einiges vorhaben. Wir werden die Reconnected to Nature EP aufnehmen und werden dazu eine richtig fette Tour machen. Eine RadTour.
Let's reconnect the road between Earth and civilization. I say let's reconnect the road between humans and Queen Mother Nature.
Und dazu laden wir euch herzlich ein.
We're living here together on planet Earth.
Hier ist ja so viel Essen.
So we can be sure that we're gonna earn the fruits of our work. We've got to trust in what we love. Let love light be our guide. She's like a hidden star. You got to push the clouds aside. Reconnected to nature. Yes, I may feel the oneness of every kind of creation. So I open up my soul for the healing of unification. Let's reconnect the road between Earth and civilization. I say let's reconnect the road between humans and Queen Mother Nature. Yes, I am so grateful for the fountains of life that connects me to Earth. And I'm so glad to see in a drop of water the whole universe. When I am connected to the ground, listening to familiar sounds, creating some moments of peace and love is what I found. Reconnected to nature. I